Polskie lotnictwo brało udział razem z RAF-em w bitwie o Wielką Brytanię w 1940 roku. W bitwie tej miałem szczęście walczyć, dowodząc polskim dywizjonem myśliwskim 303.
Though 303 Squadron was part of 11 Group for just 6 weeks, it became the most successful squadron of the Battle of Britain. It claimed 126 victories for just 8 pilots killed. A total of 145 Poles flew in the Battle of Britain. 100 of these pilots would be with the Royal Air Force. On the 15th of September, now known as Battle of Britain Day, 1 in 5 of the pilots that flew against the Germans would be Poles. It should be noted that though the Poles flew with aggression, they were not the reckless cavaliers of legend. They had both the confidence and the expertise to take calculated risks in the air. The 303 Squadron lost only 8 pilots, a figure some 70% lower when compared to other RAF squadrons.